Hello student.
Welcome to Easy Learning.
Today I now discuss what is discontinuity. In the previous class I already discussed what is continuous. That means to say that what do you mean by the continuity of a function at a particular point and how we can check whether a function is continuous or not. What do you mean by the discontinuity of a function? Now a function fx is not continuous at any point. At any point x equals to a or at any interval a less or equals to x less or equals to b is said to be discontinuous at that point or that interval. That means to say that if the function is not continuous, therefore we can say the function is discontinuous. That is, if left hand limit equals to right hand limit not equals to f of a, or if left hand limit not equals to right hand limit, in that case we can say function is not continuous. But there are some cases we later discuss. That is, the discontinuity may arise to any of the following situation, in which cases situation we can say the function is not continuous. First case, limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h not equals to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h. That is limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h, that is equals to left hand limit at x equals to a, not equals to right hand limit at x equals to a. That is, left hand limit and right hand limit exist but they are not equal. Second case, h tends to 0 limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h equals to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h not equals to fa. That is, LHL and RHL exist and they are equal but they are different from FA. Third case, FA not defined. If value of the function is not defined, then we can say function is discontinuous. Case 4, at least one of the limit, that is limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h or limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h does not exist. If one of the limits does not exist, then we can say the function is discontinuous. Next, later we discuss type of discontinuity. How many types of discontinuity here? Number 1, discontinuity. The types of discontinuity. Number 1, removal discontinuity. If limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h, that is left hand limit at x equals to a, and limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h, that is right hand limit at x equals to a, exist and they are equal. That is, left hand limit at x equals to a equals to right hand limit at x equals to a, but they are not equal. And they are equal but they are not equal to FA. That means to say left hand limit equals to right hand limit, that is limit is exist at x equals to a, but value of the limit is not equal to the value of the function, then the function fx is said to have a removal discontinuity at x equals to a. Next, jump discontinuity. A function fx is said to have a jump discontinuity at x equals to a if both of the limits, that is limit x tends to a minus fx and limit x tends to a plus fx exist but not equal. that is limit x tends to a minus fx not equals to limit x tends to a plus fx, and that is limit does not exist, and f of a may be equal to either of the above limits, then the non-negative difference LHL minus RHL is called jump of the function y equals to fx at x equals to a. What is the geometrical meaning of the continuity? Here we discuss about the graph. Geometrical meaning of the continuity. This is a graph of the function y equals to fx, and this is x equals to a, and at x equals to a, this is the value of the function, that is f of a. This is the point a comma f of a, and if we consider a very small increment on x, that is h, that is this is the point a plus h, so we get the value of the function at that point f of a plus h. Similarly, if we consider this is the a minus h, and we get the value of the function f of a minus h, and therefore we can say a function fx will be continuous at a point x equals to a if there is no break or cut or gap in the graph of the y equals to fx at the point a comma fa. Otherwise it is discontinuous at that point. So this is a geometrical, that is there is no cut, but there is no gap, there is no breaking, but there is no break point. Anything else it can be, we can say the function is continuous. Again here this is another graph. This is the x equals to a, and this is the value of x equals to a minus h, and x equals to a minus h is equals to value of the function, but x equals to a plus h, this there is a not equal. Some useful results on continuous function you must know. Just remember this: if f and g are continuous at x equals to a, then number one, f plus g, they are composite function of these two functions. F plus g is continuous at x equals to a. F minus g is continuous at x equals to a. F into g is continuous at x equals to a. F by g is continuous at x equals to a, provided g of a not equals to 0. F of g of x is continuous at x equals to a. Next, every polynomial is continuous at every point of real number. Next, g, every rational function is continuous at every point where denominator is different from, where its denominator is different from 0. Last number, logarithmic function, exponential function, trigonometric function, inverse circular function, modulus function are continuous in their domain.
Thank you student. Like this video, subscribe my channel Easy Learning. Bye, take care.